Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Topics Learning. Here we will make strong basics with smart doctors, which obviously you all are. So in this video, we will learn about the concept of cell injury. So cell injury. Whenever there is an injurious stimulus to a cell, at first the cell tries to adapt, and it is known as cellular adaptation or cell adaptation. If the stimulus keeps persisting, then it results in reversible cell injury. That means the cell can revert back to its normal form if the stimulus is withdrawn. But if the stimulus keeps on persisting, then it results in a form of irreversible cell injury. Here we will discuss four main headings. First is the causes of cell injury. Second is the factors affecting cell injury. Third is the different types of cell injury. And fourth is the various cellular responses. First, let's see the causes of cell injury. The most common cause and most important cause of cell injury is hypoxia. It means decreased oxygen supply to a tissue. And most common cause of hypoxia is ischemia, which refers to the decreased blood supply to a tissue. Ischemia is a more severe form of cell injury than hypoxia. This is because in ischemia, not only oxygen supply is diminished, but also the supply of all nutrients along with oxygen is diminished to the tissue. Let's see the sensitivity of different types of cell to hypoxia. Neurons are the most sensitive to hypoxia. They get affected within 3 to 4 minutes of hypoxia, while skeletal muscles and fibroblasts are the least sensitive cells to hypoxia. There are also some extremely sensitive areas of our body to hypoxia. These include, first, all territories of the brain, as neurons are the most sensitive to hypoxia. Second is subendocardial tissue, and third is watershed areas in the intestine, like the Griffith point and the splenic flexure. Now let's see the different types of hypoxia. There are basically four types of hypoxia. First is the hypoxic hypoxia. Second is the anemic hypoxia, and third is stagnant hypoxia, and fourth is histotoxic hypoxia. Hypoxic hypoxia is seen in higher altitudes and COPD patients. Anemic hypoxia is seen during anemia and carbon monoxide poisoning. Stagnant hypoxia is seen in ischemia. It is seen more commonly in arterial obstruction than venous obstruction. Then there is histotoxic hypoxia seen in cyanide poisoning. Now let's see the other agents causing cell injury. These include physical agents like radiation, chemical agents like drugs, carcinogens, for example carbon tetrachloride, infectious agents like bacteria, virus, fungi, immunology causes like autoimmune disorder, genetic abnormalities like mutations, and nutritional imbalances like deficiency as in protein, energy, malnutrition, and excess as in obesity. Now we will see about the various factors affecting cell injury. There are basically four factors affecting cell injury. First is the type of cell. Second, the metabolic state of the cell. Is it in dividing or non-dividing state? Then third is duration of injury, and fourth, it is a type of injury. Now, as I mentioned, the type of injury, let's see the different types of cell injury. There are basically four types. I have mentioned them earlier as well. First is the reversible cell injury, then there is irreversible cell injury, third is free radical injury, and fourth is the endoplasmic reticulum stress or ER stress. Now, let's learn about the various cellular responses. Based on causes and factors, there are basically four types of cellular responses. First, if the stimulus is small, then the cell tries to adapt, and it is known as cellular adaptations. It can be hypertrophy. Cellular adaptations can be hypertrophy, that is increase in the size of the cell, hyperplasia, increase in the number of the cells, metaplasia, that is a replacement of one cell type by another. Then there is atrophy, decrease in the size of the cell. The second is if the stimulus is persisting, then it will first result in reversible cell damage. And if the stimulus keeps on persisting on and on, it will result in irreversible cell injury. And ultimately, there will be cell death. We will discuss the topic of cell death and all its patterns in detail separately. Then the third one is intracellular accumulations. And the fourth is pathological calcification. Now let's see the different types of different patterns of cell death. First is necrosis, then there is apoptosis, then there is pyroptosis, necroptosis, and ferroptosis. We will learn everything in details in a separate video, and we will also learn about intercellular accumulations, the various types, its definition separately in another video. Now let's summarize the whole topic. Lastly, main first is the causes of cell injury. Most common is hypoxia, and most common cause of hypoxia is ischemia. Neurons are the most sensitive cell to hypoxia, and fibroblasts are the least sensitive. There are 4 types of hypoxia: hypoxic, anemic, stagnant, and histotoxic. And there are the other agents causing cell injury. There are factors affecting cell injury. As I have mentioned, they are cell type, metabolic state, duration of injury, and the type of injury. Then types of cell injury: reversible, irreversible, free radical injury, and ER stress. Various cellular responses include cellular adaptation, cell death, intercellular accumulation, and pathological calcifications. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you understood the topic. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do comment if you have any doubt, and I will attach the PDF link about this topic in the description box below.